Hey everyone, if you're in the market for a reliable commercial ice maker that can keep up with your busy restaurant, bar, or cafe, then this 650 per day machine is definitely worth considering. But before I dive into the details, let me remind you that the link to this product is in the description, so be sure to check it out on Amazon if you want to get a closer look at the specs. I've had the chance to test this ice maker in a real-world setting, and I've been impressed with its performance. Over the past couple of weeks, it's been working tirelessly in a busy bar, churning out ice cubes without any issues. The unit itself is pretty compact, sitting neatly in the corner of the room, and it's surprisingly quiet. I mean, sure, you can hear it humming along when it's running, but it's not going to disrupt your workflow or disturb your customers. And the best part is, it just keeps on going, even during the busiest periods. I've seen it handle a Friday night rush with ease, and there's still plenty of ice left over for Saturday brunch. One of the features that really stands out to me is the adjustable ice thickness. This might not seem like a big deal, but trust me, it makes a huge difference. If you're serving drinks, you want to be able to offer your customers the perfect ice cube every time. And with this machine, you can dial in the exact thickness you need. Want to create delicate flakes for cocktails? No problem. Need denser cubes for blended drinks? Easy. And the best part is, you don't have to worry about fishing around in the bin for half-melted cubes. The ice that comes out of this machine is consistently high quality, every time. The storage bin on this thing is enormous, too. With a 500-pound capacity, you can store plenty of ice for even the busiest periods. And because it's so big, you don't have to worry about running out of ice in the middle of a shift. I've seen it happen to the best of us. You're in the middle of a packed night, and suddenly you realize you're down to your last few cubes. It's stressful, and it's not exactly the kind of thing you want to be dealing with when you've got a room full of thirsty customers. But with this machine, you can rest easy knowing that you've got a steady supply of ice on hand. Another important consideration for any business owner is safety, and this machine has got you covered there, too. It's ETL certified, which means it's passed all the necessary safety checks and meets the relevant standards. And let's be real, insurance paperwork is already a hassle. You don't want to have to worry about whether or not your equipment is up to code. With this machine, you can breathe easy knowing that you're covered. The auto-cleaning cycle is another feature that's really impressed me. Let's face it, cleaning out an ice machine can be a real chore. It's one of those tasks that's easy to put off, but it's essential if you want to keep your machine running smoothly. With this unit, you can just set the timer and let it do its thing. The machine will flush itself out overnight, so you don't have to spend your precious time off scrubbing away at molds and ice trays. It's a small thing, maybe, but it's a huge time saver, and it's one less thing to worry about. I also appreciate the air-cooled design of this machine. If you've ever worked in a hot, crowded kitchen or bar, you know how quickly things can get uncomfortable. The last thing you need is a big, clunky machine pumping out heat and making the whole room feel like a sauna. But this unit is designed to keep things cool, even when it's running at full capacity. And the leveling feet are a nice touch, too. You don't need a perfectly flat floor to get it up and running, which is a big plus if you're working in an older building or a space with uneven floors. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about the downsides? Well, there are a few things to consider. For one thing, this machine is heavy, so you'll need to plan on having a couple of people around to help you get it into place. And let's talk about the bottom line. Is it worth the investment? In my opinion, absolutely. If you're serving more than a few dozen drinks a night, this machine will pay for itself in no time. Just think about all the time and hassle you'll save by not having to worry about running out of ice, or scrubbing away at molds and ice trays. And the consistent, high-quality ice it produces will make all the difference to your customers, too. So if you're in the market for a reliable, high-capacity ice maker, I'd definitely recommend giving this one a closer look. And don't forget, you can find all the specs and details by clicking the link below.